post-game press conference. We are here with the winning coach, Coach Luigi Trillion, best player of the game, CJ Cancino. Coach Luigi, I'll start with you. With how this conference has gone so far and the way your guys keep finding ways to create separation this game every time Blackwater tries to rally. What have you seen in terms of response and urgency, especially from your bench in this make or break stretch?
Yeah, Coach Ned was saying even at the halftime, it's probably the first time we played with that sense of urgency. Probably our best defense so far in terms of being locked in, right? I think we gave up about 80 points, which was good. You know, our last two games, you're playing quality teams, Tokentex Magnolia, could go either way. And, you know, we weren't that bad. It was just in that end that those games, they kind of got some separation on us, right? But proud of the way these guys did it today. You look at the rebounding. The last few games we lost, we didn't win the rebounds. This game, 62-42. We also shared the ball, 24 assists. We didn't shoot the three ball that good at that third quarter, but we kept on, right? So, good sign. You know, seems like we have 2 more games before the playoffs begin, and it's nice to see the guys play together.
Thank you, Coach. CJ, ito na nga yung sabi mo na gusto ni Coach Nenad from you. You were active on both ends and found ways to influence the game throughout. There must have been something you locked in on before tip-off. Can you just walk us through what was working out for you out there?
I think yung problem ko kasi is more on, alam ko naman na kaya ko pero hindi ko magawa ng consistent eh. Pero yung mga coaches, tinutulungan nila ako palagi na kailangan maging two-way player ako. Sinasabi nila na okay na yung offense ako, pero yung defense ako lang yung kailangan kong dagdagan. So every time sa practice, kahit na magkamali ako, okay lang. Basta, lagi ko lang sinusubukan hanggang sa maging consistent ako. And hopefully, sa next game, mas maging consistent pa ako, mas mabigay ko pa yung mga hinihingi ng coaches na role ko for this team.